Okay, so we got the SLP pipes off, and I still think that's the goofiest fucking can ever made. Yep, pipes are off. We're gonna drain the coolant, and we're gonna pull the top end apart, see what we got going. I do have a piston that looks okay. Like it's got some little dings here, but I would feel comfortable hitting out the flappy disc and smoothing it out. Skirts look great on it. And then I have this cylinder, which is used, but not like abused, which I think would work. I bet this setup will hold a lot more than 30 PSI at least. What are you doing?
Sludge. I found sludge. I even backed up, like, cause I was waiting for it to, you know.
They missed most of the laughing. So it was smoking quite a bit. Anyways, I just pulled the coolant hose off and nothing came out.
I was so ready to do my job.
Nothing came out.
Oh God. Yep.
Yep. So the best part about this is I have, that's not it.
No.
There's a brand new pan that I was going to dedicate just for coolant. And then I was going to use a coffee filter on a jug and reuse it.
Never do that.
I've never done it before.
One time. Fucking coolant.
Yeah. One time I'm going to reuse coolant. There's no coolant. What the fuck? See what we got going. Now that we don't have a coolant mess. This project's moving right along. Yeah. Nice and quick.
Nice.
God damn. Maybe we'll put these in the sandblaster and make them look new again. Where'd that bolt go, man?
Like down there.
Oh, it's gone forever.
Yeah, that's why I said goodbye.
Okay. Oh. Yep, she snagged a ring. For sure. Oh, she's big time boo-booed. It snagged on the exhaust port right here.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, it snagged a ring on the port. Broke it off. You can see there's a piece of ring embedded there. Yeah. And also whacked all over.
Yep.
Brutal. So that usually happens from... So here's the thing. The guy told me this was just rebuilt when he bought it. The only reason it'll catch a ring on a port like that is improper ring end gap. So basically when it heats up and the ring end gap's not set correctly, they can butt against each other, and then when it expands, it swells too much for the cylinder and it can catch. And or improper chamfering of the port, so it's too sharp instead of being smoothed. So it kind of like rolls, you know what I mean? Instead of having like a 90-degree angle, it's smoothed out so the ring can like slide on it, so to speak. More than likely, they probably didn't check the ring end gap,
and voila.
And voila. So I don't think it's that dude, the guy's fault at all. He knew it was hurt. I knew it was hurt when I bought it.
Hey, he did say you put the track on though.
You did put a track on it. But I did buy this. I bought this thing for $500. Sight unseen. I was actually 700 miles away at work. So I was like, hey, I want it. Twin pipes. Oh, cool. Right? And he told me to blow it up, whatever. It's all good. But yeah, that's pretty bad. I can't believe it had 30 PSI.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go pull the cylinder now. Okay. It actually does look like it would have been a new piston, but she's a bit fuckered up there, I'd say, boys. Woo! She's fuckered up. I'm feeling pretty lazy. Let's finish this thing tomorrow. I don't have a gasket anyways.
We've come so
I can't even assemble it. I don't have a base gasket.
Why don't you have the gasket there?
I have 700 gaskets. Those might work. I could probably make 700 gasket work. Get out of here. Okay, I actually have a couple of gasket kits because I'm a hoarder and I cruise eBay a lot. So I picked these Windorosa kits up for dirt cheap. They're like 25 bucks a set. So, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Were those on your seat?
Yeah, it's pretty comfy. It was a cushy seat.
It is cushy. But, so the plan is, these should theoretically go right on these cases. The inner hole, why don't you just cut it?
Why not rip it?
Because chance of messing up gaskets.
I'm not an idiot. I mean.
So, anyways, it'll go right on there, and we might be able to just trim the inside of the gasket out to work for an 800. All right, this looks like it'll work. I just have to trim it a little bit. Slide over the cylinder sleeve. It should be good.
He's right.
And just like that, the 700 base gasket will work on an 800. I kind of butchered that one a little bit, but it'll still seal. It won't leak. That's cool. Okay, I just had a delivery here to the house. Buddy showed up, dropped off a couple of good usable 800 cylinders, 800 head. Really, I just wanted cylinders. He told me he'd sell me these for like $100 a piece, and he actually drove all the way out here, so that was cool. But he also brought me a head, and he had this whole tote of stuff. I'll make me an offer. I just happen to have $300 on me, so I guess I got all this for $300. Not a big fan of those shocks, but he says it was modified. Basically, they plugged the bypass ports, so it's not less position sensitive anymore. But it came with rack carbs, CDI pistons that I don't know what are for. Obviously an 800. Oh, look at that! Holy shit, V-Force reeds. I don't know if they're any good. Miscellaneous parts. I think this is 700 exhaust valve. This is a 700 cylinder, which is also good. That's sweet. And stators and stuff, and a crank. That feels good. That feels good. Yeah, maybe it's a good crank. Oh, I don't know. I have to pull it, check all the other bearings, but yeah. So dude hooked me up, man. Let's see. I wonder if any of these pistons are actually usable. That looks good. Yeah. You came with some good pistons. Hell yeah. That's it. We need to fix this. I couldn't remember if he got ported cylinders or stock ones for me, but these are most definitely stock ported cylinders. These are off a different motor than what I was thinking they were from, because one of the other 800s I sold was definitely ported. So that's cool. Alright, well, since dude delivered parts, went ahead and slapped this brand used piston on. We're gonna throw this brand used cylinder on with my modified 700 base gasket. Me and Amber here are gonna see if this thing will run better. I can't see how it could run any worse. So, also, we are swapping heads, only because the red one I just got looks really nice, but the domes are nice, whereas this black one, the dome is beat to shit. But not only that, this isn't supposed to be a black head. You can see it was red. It's just been so hot that the paint turned black. So there's that. Yeah, so we're gonna be swapping heads. What's that? Yeah, when they get hot, they turn black. If they get really, really hot, they start to peel. Well, I seem to have lost the cylinder nut. Luckily, I have this whole drawer with nothing but engine bolts and stuff, so works out. Okay, piston, cylinder, all that's on. We're using the head gaskets, they looked all right. I'm gonna throw the head on real quick, get it torqued on. And then exhaust manifold, put the pipes on, see if this hoopty will start. Well, I'm sure it'll start,
Yeah.
see if it runs better. I'm sure it'll run better. There's no way it won't.
Still no coolant.
Yeah, still no coolant. Shit'll buff out. So I just noticed this head straight out, that head off to the side. They're fucking different. Damn it!
Oops.
So I guess we'll see if I can get a little creative here. I don't like this wire being here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna kink like a motherfucker. Alright, I gotta figure something out here. Get it, Aspen. Get it. Good boy. So, luckily, this parts RMK here has the correct hose with the bend in the tube. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab some pliers, and pull this tube off for that sled. While I'm here, I might as well flip this over. Yeah. Okay, we got the pipes, coolant hoses, all that buttoned up. All I gotta do is throw some spark plugs in it and a little bit of cleanup on the sled. Pick up some tools, and we will be ready to do our first fire up on the brand used rebuilt 800. Yeah, there's some backyard shit here, but it should work just fine. Okay, so we just put a little bit of 2-stroke oil in the fuel. Hopefully we'll pick up fuel pretty quick. I know I've pulled this over a million freaking times because I didn't prime it with gas, but there is a buttload of 2-stroke in the motor right now, so yeah. And of course, the last time I ran it, I had the fuel off and I drained the carbs because I wasn't sure if I was going to pull or not. Yeah, so she's dry. Jumping up when I hit the throttle, it's fucking hilarious. So it actually sounds pretty good. Still not sure why the track doesn't turn. I'm just going off of brake assumption, like I don't know. We peaked up there, we didn't see any rocks stuffed in it or nothing. So I guess we can tip it on side and see if it's stuck to the high packs up front.
Yeah.
But it sounds good.
It does. Sounds much better.
Yeah, it sounds like it's not.
It smells better too. Right.
It doesn't smell like just raw aluminum shooting out the exhaust.
Yeah.
So I guess my plan is I'm just gonna tip it on the side and like pull on the track, see if it's stuck or not. Yep. Look at that, it's melted right up in there.
Oh wow.
So it is stuck to the high facts, just not back. Oh, a little bit there. Yep.
How's that happen?
Riding in no snow. So like if you drag your shit in the dirt, this kind of shit happens.
Huh.
Alrighty. Alright, I guess I'm gonna roll it to the other side real quick.
Oh.
Thank you. Oh, she's stuck. There we go. Slippery here still. Bet she'll move now.
All right.
Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, did you show him a cool sticker? Due to extreme vibration on this high-powered snowmobile in wet conditions, passengers may experience multiple orgasms. Don't worry, driver's here to assist you in any way possible.
Any possible way.
Cool.
Naturally, you spotted that out from sitting in the truck
Oh,
in the
yeah.
driveway, like there's an ass.
You put Buddy in front of me, I'll spot that shit from a mile away.
Stupid. Oh wow,
It runs,
it moves.
it moves now.
Yeah. Ta-da.
Now I almost feel bad if I tear it apart.
Yeah.
But I
This
really
thing's
don't want to.
Fucking,
Huh?
it's huge.
Yeah, I really don't
Heavy.
have, like, my friends don't go to the mountains anymore because they're all gay. So.
Yeah.
Not literally, just metaphorically. They all got,
Well,
they all,
no.
they all got old and have kids and shit now, so they don't go riding. But yeah, I think we got some cool projects going on with this beast of an 800, the motor, not the sled.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's a wrap. Stay tuned for the next project.